to do your task, how to do your daily task on PERITIA. If you've signed up for PERITIA already and you're having issues concerning how to do your daily task and get your $1 daily, okay, just hold on, relax, and watch this video very, very carefully, because I'll be leading you, holding you by your hand to teach you how to do your task. Okay, let's go back to my phone screen. Okay, we're here in our page. This is my PERITIA dashboard, and if you take a close look at it, you see my PROT balance is $10. So for you to do your task, you check this side now, where you see coupon, PROT earning and all that. You click on PROT earning, then it will open for you like this. You see previous task. Don't go to previous task, just go on top. This thank you, it will not always be like this, but click on that one, read more. So it has opened. You scroll down, it will not always be showing thank you, but always click on the first one, read more. So these are the platforms where we are going to do our today task: YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. Click on the first one. It will take you to their video content on YouTube. Do well to watch it, because this is an explanatory video. I might not completely watch it, you understand? But when you are doing your own task, do well to watch it. Watch the video before liking, because YouTube algorithm will always be able to spot it. But anyway, today's concern is not really for YouTube algorithm. So this is just the video. Because I'm doing an exemplary video, I might not really watch everything, but click on the like. You can go as far as commenting. Yes, I've already liked it. You can go as far as commenting, you understand? But your work here is just to watch, then go back to, you've done that task. Now go and click on TikTok. It will now take us to PERITIA video on TikTok. If there was already a video before, it will first of all show for this PERITIA video on TikTok. The same thing, you finish watching before you like. These videos are not long. They are not long. They are never more than 2 minutes. You hardly even see the one that's 2 minutes. Sometimes 30 seconds, 35 seconds, like that. You watch, you like. Me, most times I comment. I go as far as commenting, just to make sure that it's obvious I really participated in this task. When you're done, you go back to your PERITIA page. Don't mind me, I like this girl. We're still on TikTok. Go back to PERITIA page. Now click on Instagram. It will open again. You watch the video. Sometimes when it will open, you see that it's a video you have liked before. It's a video you have watched before. No problem. Still watch it. Drop a comment if you have liked it before. Now you cannot like a video twice now. Me, sometimes I will unlike it and like it again. I can go that petty. Don't mind me. But you can just drop a comment. You understand? Then when you are done, you go back to the page. When you're done, you go back to your PERITIA page. I was just trying to read what they wrote here. It's very important. Your major work is to watch and like. You don't really have a business reading. So we'll now go back to our PERITIA page. So that's WhatsApp. You click on WhatsApp. There is nothing to watch. But as far as you have clicked on WhatsApp, there's a link that will follow you. So I like dropping it on my status. That's the link. You drop it on your status. You can drop it anywhere. If you have a group, you can drop it. I have a group. I have how many groups safe. So we are done. You will now click to earn. Very important. I always click mine twice. Click to earn again. You understand? You click it. It's not a must you do as I'm doing my own twice. You can click your own once. Then you will now go back to that beginning of the task where you went to before. Then click on dashboard. It will now take you to your PERITIA page. You see, my PROT is now $11. That is just how it is. So bye. Thanks for watching. If there's any other concern you have, do well to drop it on the comment section if you want me to do a video on it.